What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Games of Pi and another unboxing. So this time around, I'm going to be testing out a brand new mini tripod. Unfortunately, my one, the one I'm using right now, the handle snapped off. So it served me well. I mean, it's still usable, don't get me wrong. I've just wanted to choose a smaller kind of size, and then yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. So you guys get to see what this looks like, first kind of point of view, and then yeah, with that said, let's get into it. There we go. So mini tripod from NEEWER TP2. It's a video tripod. It's supposed to be on the mini version. Let's see if I can get that slider open. I think my previous one was not NEEWER, my previous thing, but it was nice. Oh, wow. We get a little nice case with it as well. Cool. Nothing else in the box. So we do get a mobile phone holder with it. With a adjustable... Oh, nice. Okay, that has an adjustable kind of screw lever to it. If you can see that. It is though plasticky, so I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, for the price of it, it was, you know, it wasn't that much. But first impressions, I like the fact that they're giving us a nice case, and it's also branded, so that's cool. I must say, very compact. For reference, that's my camera. That's my A7 IV, so you have an idea how big. It's maybe 2 and a bit times. Yeah, so. Let's see what do we get in there. Got a nice little strap. Easy to carry around. In there, more packaging. I must say NEEWER, because obviously, NEEWER, sorry. I never, not sure how to pronounce that. But all the stuff they do, they're super high quality usually. Packaging also, obviously, always nice. Tripod, even though it's on the smaller side, it does feel rather weighty, which is good. It's reassuring. So first impressions, good. So on my previous tripod, actually, there was this handle that snapped off, so that broke off, but not the metal bit. I think it was just the plastic bit that just snapped off. So I had I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically it was here. That part kind of came off. Yeah. So for reference, my previous tripod, show you the difference. And then you have the NEEWER one. Right, okay, cool. So I can see that that has the supports there, that locks down there, so it doesn't move around. It also has, which my previous tripod didn't have that, it has the little hook to add weight down to it. The legs are the same kind of system, so they're the clips. You just unclip and pull. And then you have movable kind of legs that kind of adjust on everything. The other one didn't have that as well, which was a bit of a... Sometimes it was a bit difficult to set it in place, you know, without... But if you just set that there, it comes with a little plate, just very similar to the other one. Same kind of mechanism up here. Just that kind of clip to it, just clips on, which probably means I can use the previous one, because obviously I have the quick release plate from Falcom up here, the F38, so I just need to do that. Done. Cool. Got a little spirit measure just over here for balancing, so that's so nice and straight. We have, I mean, okay, it's not super smooth for, like, you know, super good footage, but I must say it's a little bit better than the previous one. Not super duper smooth, but it will probably do most of whatever you wanted to do. So, but for me, that I do obviously home recordings and stuff like that, and with this height, actually, is going to be perfect, I think, for the kind of use that we need. This. So sideways here, we just have the little knob, I guess, that tightens the stiffens, as you say, the base plate here. You can't twist it too fast or too slow. Loosen up a little bit more and you have a bit more flexibility. On the previous one, you used to be able to tighten. Oh, the same system. Okay, cool. So basically, the handle goes anti-clockwise to loosen up and then clockwise to tighten, and that makes it harder to move. So it's kind of like tightens the whole thing. If I just loosen up, as you can see, it's super nice and easy. Cool. And I believe with this one we can go vertical as well. Yes, we can. Cool. Perfect. So you guys can see, normally, obviously, when you put the camera, you shoot like that, and then obviously you can flip it sideways so you can shoot vertical. So in our case, if I was to put the camera on that thing, it would be faced the other way, like that. Which way do you guys put the clips? I normally put them on the front of the camera, so whenever I clip it on, I normally have it like that. So then obviously if I want to shoot vertical, we go that and we have it there. Boom. Nice already. Tighten up a little bit. I think this camera is a bit too close for the... that is cool. I don't know what this little thing does here. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. I didn't realize. Sweet. So on the side, we have a lever, I guess. If we turn that clockwise, as you can see, we're raising the tripod's height. That would be so cool. Because in total height as well, including the extended legs, and that would be super duper. I might be able to use it for my real estate photography as well. With that height. What else do we get here? We get a... We also get a remote control. Yeah, we do. Cool. So you can actually remotely activate the shutter, possibly with that. If it does connect, I'm not too sure how that works, but in theory... Yeah, so that's a remote shutter trigger. So you just press them far away in case of, for example, as I just mentioned about doing real estate. So you'll be standing away from the camera, you set it where you want to set it, and then click it so there's no vibrations, and you grab the shots that you need to grab. Cool. Right. In a nutshell, really, this is it. I will give you an update as soon as I get to use it a little bit. But yeah, guys, thank you very much indeed for watching. It's been a pleasure having you. Hope you enjoyed it. Of course, I'll be putting up links for future videos and a playlist on that side of the screen. If you like that kind of content, of course, feel free to stick around, subscribe, give us a like. If you don't like it, leave us a comment, let us know what we can do better. And then we will see you into the next one. Take care.